guys, it's Dr. Kelsey, and this is Jet here, a black lab, and it is March, and we're talking about Labrador Retrievers this month, and I want to talk about some medical conditions that these guys can get. First off, we want to talk about their orthopedically, their hips and knees. Unfortunately, you know, Labradors are a breed that can get hip dysplasia, and you can see it as young as like 6 months old, you know, a year old, year and a half. They can start showing up that early, and they could be signs of, like, you know, slower to get up, you don't want to jump up on the bed or couch or into the car, that kind of thing. So those are some signs of hip dysplasia, and again, unfortunately, this breed does get those. Also, knees, they can have ACL tears, and that's where the ligament in their knee can tear. Now that's usually later in life, maybe hopefully, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years old. They're usually not puppies that do that, but it can happen at any age. I had one as young as a year old actually once. That was kind of sad, but so ACL tears are another thing. They also get, as they get older, they can get lipomas. Lipomas are fatty growths. A lot of labs, a lot of bigger dogs get those. They're underneath the skin. It's just kind of fat tissue that's usually benign, not cancerous, but you can feel them. They kind of get lumpy bumpy sometimes. Another one is allergies. These guys can have allergies, sometimes with their ears, having ear infections or chewing their feet. So they do have some allergies. And then lastly, I'd say they can have seizures. Sometimes there is a breed relation of seizures with Labrador Retrievers, unfortunately, and that can start, you know, at 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 years old for the breed. But again, that's not rampant. It's not like every Labrador has that. But those are a few issues: the hips, the knees, the lipomas, allergies that they have, and seizures. So, you know, just note, it's always good to do your research when you're looking at different breeds to get for your family, and just to realize, you know, understanding things that you might be, what might be coming down the path possibly with if you get that breed, and that's what kind of happens with labs. But great overall dogs, a lot of fun. You know, a lot of people have them #1 breed in the country for the past 24 years. So hope that helps. Hey guys, it's Dr. Kelsey. Thanks for watching that video. If you like what you see, we'd love for you to subscribe and follow us. We're always trying to put out great content on a weekly basis, so continue to subscribe and watch us.